paragraph, you're going to use the figure caption. You can ask, sir, we have an image, right? We have a image tag. So why we need figure and figure caption? Okay, one more tag why we need that figure and figure caption, that closing of figure and closing of figure caption, why we need, right? One thing I explained, right? One thing I said, in HTML file, whatever the things we are giving, right, all are like a container, right? So section and articles means it's like one container. Navigation is the whatever the data we are giving, right? It's like one container. All are fit to that particular container. When it comes to figure and caption, it is also a container. Means the web, this is the web developer. What he will do, he will wrap that image, he will wrap that figure, and he will wrap that figure caption. For example, SVIT. I given the SVIT logo, right? SVIT logo. Under that SVIT logo, I want to give the caption like SVIT logo, that SVIT Bangalore. I want to give that caption there, right? That image, that caption, and the small content what we're giving, small paragraph what we're giving, all are coming under one container. That container we are giving in figure in HTML5. Okay, if you want to move, if you want to copy the same paragraph, the same image, right, along with the paragraph, along with the figure, you can easily pick that one. You can place in other code. You can use that in the other web page. Okay, that is the main usage of this HTML5. Okay, now next is what? Figure and caption. Figcaption, that is. So figure and figure caption are wrapping of the what image in a one container. It's going to wrapping of the image in one container, right? So I use the code now. Okay, I don't need, I just clear all this data till section. I don't need, I need figure now. Okay, right? So what I will do in the body part, what I want to display, I want one sentence here, means this image was taken by one particular person, right? So photo by Vivek, next SVIT logo, right? And after that, I want to give the figure caption. In that underneath of the figure, I want to give SVIT Bangalore. Okay, this is what I'm trying to achieve through my code. Okay, body first, I want one heading. I want some paragraph, right? Okay, this photo was taken by Vivek. Okay, I will close it. Next, I will use figure caption. I will use figure tag element. Okay, next I use the image. Image source equals to, right, SVIT logo dot jpg, right, dot jpg, close. Right, this alt is alternate, is optional. You can use the width, border, anything you can use, right? In yesterday I have shown that border, in place of, in front of image, you can use border equal to 2, border equal to 3. After this source, you can use width, height, anything you can give. Okay, any additional element we can add there, right? So alt, just I will give SVIT, something I will do. This is optional. If you want, you can give, otherwise you can ignore, right? Then close this. I will use breaks. Break. I use the break because after break means next I want to give the figure caption, right? After displaying this image, underneath I need what? Figure caption. That is the reason I'm giving the break symbol there. Okay, break. Next, fig caption. Fig caption. Okay. After below that SVIT logo, I want to display that one message, right? SVIT Bangalore. Bangalore. Okay, that is fig caption. Close the fig caption. Right. So close the figure now. Close the figure. Okay, so from here till here, it's all under one container now. Means this image, this caption are one container. We can easily pick that, but all this data, this from this to, for example, see, I have shown this image. Okay, someone asked, sir, only why we are going to see that image at the left side. Okay, we want to see that image at the right side also, at the center. For that, we have a what keyword, that is tag align. I use this right. Okay, this figure will be displayed at the right now. Okay, next, figure caption. After this, if you want to give a paragraph, you can give the paragraph. Okay, I don't want now. Just I'm going to close this. I will save. I have saved this one. Let's see what output we will get. Program 3. Open Google Chrome. See, I used alignment right. It is right. So this image has shifted to the right. If I remove this one, if I will remove this, okay, I will remove this, save, close, okay. See, below that I got the caption. Means this entire from here to here, it will be wrapped under one container. It is placed under one container, right? That is the reason you're going to use the figure in the HTML file. If you want, you can copy the entire thing, this logo and this caption. You can copy this one. You can place it anywhere. That is the main advantage of using the figure caption in HTML. Figure and figure caption. Okay. Next, last one is aside. Okay. Last one is the aside. We will see in many websites, right? This part, aside. Okay. If you want to give this aside, means there will be a one keyword, that is aside keyword. Okay, side. If you want to place any particular data at the side part, you have this one or keyword called aside keyword. Just close all these things, right? Aside and write the content. Okay, I want to show at the left side or right side. Okay, this show. But I will write this is in Bangalore. Only this part I want to show there. Okay, I just close this. Then I will close the aside symbol. Okay, let's check what output we get. Okay, open it. Google Chrome. See, this is in Bangalore aside. Okay, what the paragraph I given? This is at the right side. Okay, if you want to be displayed at the right side, this part. Okay, only one small word I given. That is the reason it's showing here. If you give means if you want to display at the left side or right side image, right? Any content, any video link, everything we can add in this in between this tag. Okay, all will be like one container. That will be displayed at where we need. That is this aside align equal to here. Again, we have to give align equal to right. Means there it will display at the right side. It will display at the right side. Like that it will work. Okay. Yeah, I'll just stop this one.